Hey everybody, it's Jim T with Key the Realtor from BG, and I'm proudly broadcasting to you live from the White House in Bowling Green, Ohio. In today's local market update, we are covering Wood County Northwest. Let's dig right in. So looking at May of 2021 versus May of 2020, we are seeing that new listings are about the same this year as they were last year, while pending sales and closed sales continue to trickle up. Days on market have significantly gone down just because we are seeing such a shortage of inventory. And what that's doing is that's driving overall pricing to go up, even though it does not appear so in the median average sale prices in this area. What this means is from the listings that have sold this year to date versus last year, the pool of listings that have been selling are in a lower price point than they were at the same time last year. Again, this is no way indicative of how the market is performing. What it is telling us, though, is lower level pricing has been the norm for what has been selling this year. So if you have a higher end house in Northwest Wood County, what that means, what this data reporting is illustrating, is that there's a good chance you won't have that much competition. So it's a great time to be listed right now and see what the market can really do, because the number that's most interesting right now is the percent of list price received. It is 114%, folks. That means if you were listed for $100,000, typically you would likely see a offer right around $115,000 coming in, and that's what's closing these days. Inventory of homes for sale has continued to go down by almost 20% year over year. And what that's doing is that's driving the month supply of inventory way down by almost 25%. So as this number here goes down, what we're likely to see is these numbers continue to trickle up, just because the laws of supply and demand indicate that as inventory is down, as supply is low and demand is high, price is likely to go up. So looking at the past 10 years in Northwest Wood County, we are looking at a significant spike in a median sale price in this past couple of years alone. And again, supply and demand is what's causing this problem. It is not a bubble, as some of you like to believe. I promise you it is not a bubble. It is a supply and demand issue. So until we fix the supply and demand, it's going to continue to look this way. The way that we can fix supply and demand is if we see new construction, but the likelihood of new construction catching up right now is still 2, 3, maybe even 4 years out. So this is the market that we're in for the long haul. At least for the next foreseeable future. What is more likely to happen than real estate prices to tank is interest rates to go up. So as interest rates rise and real estate values continue to go up, in my opinion, what we're going to see is real estate is going to be less and less affordable for most people. And typically rent rates follow the rate of real estate. So if you're renting right now, you may want to think about very seriously about buying. Because with the low interest rates, it is an excellent time to be a buyer, even though it may not seem it. As interest rates go up, though, your affordability for real estate in our market will go down. Even in a competitive market like we're in, the Trempevsky Group has managed to save our buyers thousands of dollars and also get our sellers the absolute highest for their homes in the least amount of time possible. The way that we do that is paying close attention to the details and ensuring that we are getting you the outcomes that you want and you need. Give us a call today. We're happy to set up the time to go over all of this with you in more detail and see how we can be of service. Hope that you have found this content to be informative and helpful. If you like what you saw today, please make sure you like our page and subscribe to our channel. And outside of that, we will be signing off, folks. Thanks so much for joining us today. It's been an absolute pleasure. And again, if you like what you see today, please make sure to like our page and subscribe to our channel. That way you do not miss any future content down the road. You have a great day.